Since I bought the 2-post lift, I haven't had access to a trailer, but today I found the perfect solution. Good morning, guys. As you know, the trailer's tied up and I'm not taking the lift off till it's ready to go up. So I've kind of been looking for another trailer to buy so I can tow stuff. And I had this bright idea to buy a rollback. That way it's a trailer and a truck all in one, so I don't have to hook up trailers. So I've been on the hunt, kind of just looking for the last month and a half, and I've seen a few pop up, but everything's a diesel that's too new to run waste oil. So I've been looking for an older diesel like an IDI or a Cummins 12 valve, ideally 4-door, 4x4, but you can't win them all. So this is 2-door, not 4x4, but the price is right, and it's a 12 valve Cummins. So I am currently halfway to Arizona, chilling in Hotel Prius. This is not the best. It kind of sucked because I have a broken rib right now from skateboarding. But anyway, I wanted to not oversleep since I was working on a car till 3 in the morning, and I got to pick this up at 11. I was like, if I go to sleep, I'm not waking up. So I just hopped in the car, hit the road, threw a sleeping bag in here, and here we are. Let's get over there and buy a new tow truck. Looks like it's running. So let's find the guy that owns it. Take a look. Sounds good. So far we are doing very good. Strap came loose, so I pulled over to tighten it. Truck has really good power, so I'm happy with that. I'm not happy with how much of a piece of shit it is, but I am happy with the price. So yeah, I gotta fix all the gauges. I hate not having a tack.
Rollback doesn't work, fuel gauge doesn't work. I don't like how low the temp is just sitting all the time. So not convinced that fully works, but she runs. That truck's a beast. I love it. Oh, also, I can't turn it off because the battery's dead. Like, the battery fails to start it after a minute. So I'm going straight to Walmart, buy a battery. Till then, I have to keep that fucker running. I wanted to go check out this arch, but I gotta leave the truck running, so I don't really know. Luckily, this thing is fully mechanical, so it will just keep running, but we don't have any brake lights, turn lights, nothing, I think. I don't really know. The gauge could go lower, so it might still be working. Maybe it's just on battery. I'm not too sure, but I'm going straight home before I turn this off. I think we completely lost voltage. So I stopped at a Walmart because I'm a little worried. But I'm gonna pop the hood and see if the voltage regulator came disconnected, see if I can just plug some back in. Once I turn this off, it ain't gonna start. So I gotta see what's up. Could it be that simple? And we are charging again. Okay, simple. So I'm gonna try to wedge it in there. Then I'm still gonna go buy a battery because I can put it right here. Well, it made it. The only issue was that voltage regulator wire that came off. I didn't really get a chance to show you guys the truck when I was getting it because I was dealing with the guy and negotiating. So let's take a better look. This thing is horrible. It's missing that upper trim piece. This one's falling off, and I don't know what's supposed to be here. Still has the old phone number on it, so I'll be scraping this shit off. This has been repainted like crap and overspray. Hood is made out of Bondo right there. Dash is non-existent. But I mean, that's typical for a Dodge, so I'm not surprised on that. I think the rest of it destroyed itself on I-40 because of the bumps, so got some trash there. Seat's ripped. I sat on that pretty hard, did not feel good. Power window is hooked up to this sketchy ass switch. Like so. Running lights, you connect this alligator clip here to this hot wire right here. Switch is broken, so who knows if the headlights work. Radio, I didn't even bother putting the faceplate on. Doubt it fucking works. 12 volt thing did not work, so I couldn't charge my phone. I don't know what any of those do. This truck is a rat's nest of wiring. I don't know who messed with it, but it is a dumpster fire. Like, what is going on down here? And everywhere. And then, if we pop the hood, it only gets worse. Don't know what any of this crap is. Looks terrible. Kill switch. This kill switch is apparently the reason it won't start. Don't know. Battery is questionable, but you know, luckily there's a second one. Just kidding, they removed it. So no second battery. And I did stop at Walmart to buy one when the voltage regulator was taking a dump, but I realized they unhooked the cables. So if I'd bought a battery and put it in there, it wouldn't have done anything without connecting those cables, which I don't have hardware and I wasn't gonna screw with that at Walmart. So I just kept going once I figured out the voltage regulator issue. Voltage regulator wiring. Dog shit. Turbo, hits boost, engine, runs great, and it's a fucking 12 valve. Truck's a piece of shit. Total piece of shit. I wonder if we can see why there's Bondo. Looks like something's fallen on the hood right there or something. That's all dented. Total piece of shit. But it ran great and it pulled great. So no real complaints as far as the engine. And I primarily bought this for the engine, the transmission, and the rollback. But like the engine and transmission are pretty much worth what I paid. So it's a piece of shit, but it did great. The front end, the brakes are terrible. So I need to address those like ASAP. Because I like not crashing. The main hydraulic ram that slides this thing all the way back pisses fluid, so that's not good. There's no fluid marking on the fill, so yeah, I'm gonna have to put hydraulic fluid in it. Anyway, great investment in my opinion. Total clapper. But I mean, I don't know if you guys have noticed, I love shitty shit because I tend to just abuse it. This thing did actually pull so nice, I might make it nice and repaint it. But we'll see, one step at a time. First of all, maybe do something about the bumper. Those toe lights gotta go, and we gotta get like a modern light bar on it. And then painting the cab would make it look like a whole different truck, and I'm gonna pull the decals off the rollback. But all in all, it's a working rollback tow truck. And now, it's easier to move some of the shit around I got out here. So I should be able to get a couple cars out of here to scrap. I got a couple Subies that are just shells, and it's time for them to be crushed. Anyway, guys, stay tuned as this build develops. I love the aluminum flatbed. So nice, it won't rust. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.